Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
My group for modern content store project within 2020 HP Abdul Aziz Bayat, Muhammad Akbar, Fahri Ginanjar, Muhammad Zaki, and Abu Ramli. May open presentasi Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Next. Presentasi we are presentation team of development, research, and document dedicated to creating innovative e-commerce solution. Our mission is to prepare stable and user-friendly web because no in critical error. Next presentation Abdul Aziz Bayat.
Next. Several issues we are trying to address. Here is the explanation. 1. Scalability issue. Performs bottleneck user during peak use as the system struggles to scale. Code maintenance challenge. A large code base makes bugs, isolation, and feature development difficult, often impacting unrelated components. Lack of modularization, thickly coupled code, restrict feature reuse, and integration with other systems, such as checkout or payment. System downtime, risks, virus, and one part of the system can cause the entire application to go down. Next. Solution. We had development for this retail project. 1. Transition to microservice. Isolate critical feature like checkout and payment into separate microservice for scalable performance. Resource can be allocated to high demand service. 2. Simplify maintenance. Reduce dependency, make the booking easier. 3. Improve reliability. Issue in one service won't affect of others. Next. REST API implementation. Enable secure standardized communication between the main application and microservice. Support future integration with external systems like mobile apps or third-party payment gateway. 3. Efficiency resource allocation. Microservice run on separate server on containers. Allow optimize resource use scaling based on demand. Next. Here, the scope we can provide. 1. Purpose. The project focused on transition the checkout and payment feature the e-commerce platform into independent microservice. 2. Feature in scope. Take out microservice, handle customer order, calculate shipping costs, and generate invoice. 2. Payment microservice. Process payment, proof, upload, update order status, and validate transaction. Next. Future scalability. The architecture designed to support future migration of additional features, such as user management and inventory to microservice. Next. Next, Abdul Aziz Payat.
Okay, I want to share the part two. Is okay. Okay, problem formulation in our project. First, we just about how can we migrate features to microservice without disrupting functionality. Second, how can REST APIs ensure smooth communication between the app and microservice? Third, how do we maintain data consistency during the transition? Fourth, how can we test and deploy microservice for high availability and scalability? And last, how can we make microservice modular and reusable for future needs? Next. Okay, next we are in part 3. The first is part A. Technologies we are using in the project. Okay. The first is backend development. Inside, we use PHP native for microservice logic and handling REST API requests. Second, front-end integration. We use existing monolithic application built with PHP native to interact with microservice. Third, REST API communication. We use CURL for sending HTTP requests between the main application and microservice. Fourth, we use development tools. The first is Postman for testing REST APIs, and second, Laragon for local server environment. And the last, we for version control we use JIT. That's for version control and collaboration. Next is the part for impact. Yeah. First is impact for user, and the first we improve user experience that faster and more reliable checkout and payment processing due to isolate microservice. Second, we boost minimize downtime. That issues in one feature do not affect to entire system, ensuring a uninterrupted service. And the last, third, we boost flexibility in payments, in their enhanced handling of payment uploads with better validation and error handling. Next. Next is impact for us as a developer. First, we simplify maintenance in their isolate code base for microservice, make debugging and update easier. Second, we boost to scalability inside allows for scaling only the checkout or payment service based on demand. And the last third, we boost to future-proofing. Inside the system is now modular, making it easier to extend or integrate with other platforms. Next. And next is part 4. I will give to Fahri Ginanjar.
Into microservices-based architecture. Now let's move directly to the project demonstration. For the feature we have implemented using the microservices concept, there are two main ones: checkout and payment. Let's dive straight into the demo of this feature. We'll skip other phases such as login and registration since our focus in the microservices-based microservices-based feature. Let's look in the checkout feature. For example, we can select product by browsing through the product displayed. And if we find one that suits our need, we process to checkout. During the checkout process, we can fill in the form with the recipient information such as name, phone number, and complete address. In the system, I have also used the AngelOKR API to calculate shipping costs for various regions. Next, we choose the desired core service, for example, GNA. After filling in detail, we can click on place order and the checkout process is completing using the microservice architecture. Now let's clarify whether the checkout feature works correctly via Postman. We simple copy the website link and open it in with checkout service.php, which is the microservice handling this process. Then we paste the payload into Postman and click send. And as you can see, the test has been successful. Moving on the payment feature, the one does not utilize a payment gateway. Payment gateway like Mitrans. Instead, payment processed manually by uploading a payment form. User can confirm the payment by uploading a proof payment through the system. Let's demonstrate this. First, we click on confirm payment. In the option column, then select a file or photo in the cache. In the cache to upload. The system produces and process the uploaded file as proof of payment. For some reason, over iOS I was able to upload a file via Postman during the testing phase. As a result, we validated the code directly. Now the code we can see that the request use the post use the post method and impact validation, then ikut validation step to check if the file is successfully uploaded. That's all for demonstration of the two microservice based feature Apple checkout and payment. Apple apologies for any shortcoming in the system. Thank you for time. Thank you.
Learning takeaway. A. The key lesson we have learned. Technical, technical learning. Master Treasure EPA implementation with PHP native and GURL. Green. Knowledge in database transition management for data connectivity. In enhanced testing and debug skill async Postman. 2. Architectural learning. Learning Microsoft first focus on separation of conquers and module design. Get insight into the challenge of migrating from monoliths to Microsoft servers. Next, 3. Soft skill. Improved problem solving by breaking complex system into smaller services. Understand the importance of collaboration and documentation in project development. B. The atmosphere we expression in class. Number 1. Teamwork and collaboration. Group project exercise communication and text delegation. Nomor 2. Team management. Managing manage managing assignment and deadline, planning and prioritization. Number 3. Critical thinking, discussion and exertion for critical analysis of decision. Number 4. Explores to real world scenario. Hands-on projects offer practice experience in solving real world challenges. Next. Finish. Tara, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bur, bangga Bur.
Baik, closing presentation finish. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for time. Next, the project semester 6. Bye.